Today we are looking at the Wireless Go 2 by Rode, created by Rode. So when I open this, do a little unboxing, and then we will get to the actual product. Okay, in the box, we have shipping thought or whatever. Do not eat. I'm sure that goes without saying. We have this. Oh, that's nice. It comes with a little pouch. I actually didn't know that. And then we have this box. So just to be clear, inside of this box, we have this box, and this pouch. And these packing things. When I throw those away, and then let's go on and look at these, okay? These are the actual mics, okay? I say mics, but it's only one, okay? This is the mic. These are the wind, wind. It comes with one and then another one. These are to put on the mic in case you might be out in some wind. So I suggest not losing them. It's up to you, but I'd suggest not losing them. And then these themselves is the mic. I'll explain, okay? Because one is a receiver and one is a transmitter. So the one with the mic on top, this is the actual mic. This is the transmitter. This plugs into your camera or even computer and whatnot. And that's how they are separately. And then we have this box, okay? We're going to go ahead and open this box and see what's in it. Okay, instruction manual and some cables. Okay. So we have cables here. This is for charging. This is USB-A to USB-C. And then this will go in your auxiliary port, it looks like. Oh, and there's another cable for charging, if you will, for both of them. So, yeah, overall, this is the whole setup. Like I said, your big main thing will be these puppies here. Now, I got a single channel, which means I only have a transmitter and a receiver, but you can get two. And the cool thing is they have this little clip on the back that you can easily clip onto like your shirt or something. So if you've ever seen people with like this clipped onto their shirt, mic themselves up and stuff, yeah, that's how they have it. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.